Welcome back to our Design Studio channel. My name is Stevie, your resident architect. In today's tutorial, we are going to build on our previous roof trussing system by adding key post, truss web, and tie beam using SketchUp and the 1001 Bit Pro plugin. A big thank you to one of our subscribers who asked how to include these elements in our truss design. Let's dive right in. So, in our previous video, we have done something like this, but this is not the redesign, but it's something like this where we use 1001 Bit Pro for roof truss. So it's like something like this. So we want to add our truss web tie beam to it. So to do that, if you have not watched that video, I recommend to go and watch it first for a better understanding. You can find the link in the description of this video below. Step 1, adding of cane post. The cane post is the central vertical member that helps distribute the load evenly across the truss. To do this, select the central line. This is the central line. So just select it. Select the central line. No, I'm not going inside the group. Don't go. Just select the central line. So this is the central line. Select this and draw a vertical line. Let it come down. It's going to be like. Let me leave here. Just select the central line, draw a vertical line. If you know that it's vertical, it's going to show blue. But if you're not sure, you can just press the shift. So this is the vertical line, just draw it. So for us to do that, we want to create the cane post. So just measurement, I'm using 150 mm. So that is 75 here, 75 here. That will be like this. 75 mm. This side too. This side 75. So let me draw it. $75. So balance it. Yes. So that is it. That is cane post. So for us to make it more bold, we need to use our push pull. Hope you have. If you don't know how to use push pull, go and check my previous video. So once you make this one as wood, just click here, click this side and mash it together. Let it be wood. So this is wood. So click here, make it group, double click it. It's going to highlight, make it group. This make group. So this one now, we want to give it thickness. So let me give it thickness like. Let me come inside here. Give it thickness of like 100. You see now, we have make it. So that is the cane post. That is the first aspect. That is how to do cane post. So that is the first aspect. So for the second aspect, for the second section, we are designing the truss web. So for us to design the truss web, so truss web consists of diagonal and vertical member that connects the top and bottom chord, providing additional support and stability. There is different pattern you can use, such as W pattern or N pattern. So for us to do that, so for this one we are going to be using the N pattern. So for us to do that, just come to this side again. Like I want to use the measurement of like 1.2. Here, go draw it up again. So here I'll be using 100 mm. 1.2. No, let me 1.2. 100 mm. So it's going to be to that side. So just draw a line, draw it like this. So this one too, I want to make it 100 mm. 100. So just draw it to the edge. So balance it up. So you see now, we have balanced it up. So that is, you see, we have drawn it. So it's like M. So we want it's going to be going like this. That is diagonal aspect. So let's conclude this. We are not done. Let me remove all this one. Draw the line again. Draw another line, vertical line. let me go back, make this one group, make group. So for us to continue, just draw a line like this, draw it, this one 100, draw it down, balance it, so remove this one. So you can just give it wood. So we are going, so this one too 1.2, the distance between them 1.2. So this one too 100. So draw this one to this side, this one C 100. So draw a line, balance it up. So that is it. We are going. So hope you guys are getting it. Draw a line again, delete this one 100, 100, draw it, balance it. So let me balance it here too. You guys get it. So here too again on 1.2. Make sure it's 1.2. Let it 1.2. Let it show the red line 1.2. 1.200, 100. So this one, take it to this side. So T 100. Yeah, that is it. So we have created it. So delete all this line, this instruction. I just delete it. You don't need it for now. So you can just give this one wood, give it wood. So if you are done with giving this wood, so for now we want to pull it. So let's give the interior wood to wood material. Let's give it wood material. So we want to pull it inside. So for us to make it, we need to pull it inside using the push pull tools. So if you don't know how to use the push pull tools, I've done video on it, so you can check the description of this video to check out to use push pull. So for you to use push pull, just press your P in your keyboard, just press it and drag it, drop it. So for you to continue, you don't need to just double click. It's already there. Double click it. This one too, double click. This one, double click. This one, double click. I know it will have drawn something like so. You can just cover it and give it your wood material. So for this one now, we have created a truss web. So this is how you see now. This is like N shape. This is a truss web. So we have created the truss web now. So for us to take it to the other side, we don't need to draw it at this side again. Just let's mirror it. Just mirror it. You can just copy it out. If you have mirror tools, you can use mirror tools, but for easier method, you can just press your S, scale, and find the center. Find the center and press -1. So you see now it has mirror. So just go and copy, just move it. That is M in your keyboard. M, press here and come and drop it. So we have created it. So for it to make it more mature, I want to drag it inside. I don't want it to be like this. Just I want to drag it inside. Let it be on this green line. Drag it inside. So we are going. So that is, we have created King Post and Truss Web now. We have created King Post and Truss Web. So we want to create, it's like it's move inside much. So we want to create our what? We want to create our tie beam. Incorporating tie beam. Finally, let's add tie beam to the base of the truss. The tie beam run horizontally to connect the bottom of the truss leg, preventing them from separating apart. So for it to do that, draw a horizontal line at the bottom of this line. So draw a horizontal line. This one, I'm still going to delete that. Just draw it. Just make it. Draw it. I want to make it thickness like 150. We are drawing a horizontal line. This is like horizontal line. So this is it. So this one now, make it like 150. I want to balance it up. Your rectangle, that is rectangle 2. So we have drawn a horizontal line now. So all this one, I'm going to delete it away. I don't need it for now. So make this one wood. So we want to pull it down to make it thick. So for the tie beam, so pull it down by 150. Let's pull it down by 150. Delete all this unwanted parts. I don't need it. Delete it. Yeah. So that is it. So mistake. I don't make it. Let's make it group before taking it. Double click it. Make it group. Make it group. So 150. 150. Pull it down. 150. 150. Delete this. Delete that. So all this one too. Delete this. So that is it for the tie beam. So for us to make it more realistic, so we need to copy all this one, copy it and move it. So you can just move it at a distance by distance of 1.2, distance of 1.5, 15. So according to our, so you can just continue, just press S. Let me use 6. It's not okay. Let me go back. Let's go back. Let me use S10. So M 1.5, 15. So let's use X S12. So for it to duplicate, just press it. It's not moving. Don't know why. It's not moving. Let's move it. 15. S12. You see now it has duplicate. So for wanted part, you can just delete it away. This one we don't need it. You see now you have created it. You have created the key post, truss web, and tie beam now using the 1001 bit Pro 2. So that is it. Check the final adjustment. You can move around, check if there is any adjustment. I don't think there's any adjustment again. So if you have looked around, you don't see there is any, it does not need any adjustment again. So you can just conclude it. So in conclusion, and that is how to add truss, key post, truss web, and tie beam to your roof truss system in SketchUp using 1001 bit Pro plugin. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our Design Studio channel for more SketchUp and architectural design tutorial. Also, let me know in the comments section if you have any other question or suggestion for future video. Thank you for watching. Happy designing. God bless you. See you in the next video.